Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can insert arrows in Word. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to follow is to open Word and search here the font MS Gothic. Okay. Once you've done that, click on Insert and then you need to go into the symbols and click on More Symbols, and here you can see that you have different symbols. Click on special character, but here you need to search for the arrows. Let me search. Okay, so let me, I think that I'm not selected MS Gothic font. Okay, so it is selected. Symbols, more symbols, and here you can scroll down, but here you can see that different arrows are there. You can select according to your choice, and if you want you can make them bigger. So let me do that. So this is a process by which you can insert arrows in Word. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Well, see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.